not everybody's going to be able to do it, right? And this, like, how do I say that? This community is so special. Like, I love how like tight knit and like I wouldn't say small, but like tight knit this community is, because not everybody can get in. This is not everyone's accepted. Not everybody can rise to the occasion, and I love that. Like, I have seen previously like trading discords and communities that have like 100,000 people in it, and you're just like, what the hell is going on in here? Like, this is just like a mess.
Right.
Like, what? And I just love, like, I've created, obviously like just online, but created so many awesome like connections with people that have paved the way for me, that I can say, hey, this trade went bad today. I can't figure out for the life of me. Why? Can you give me your insight? Right. And that's so valuable. You changed my life, Todd. Have a great day.
Thank
Bye.
you. Appreciate that. Have a great day.